Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Crazy About Purple. I'm Patty. These are my little Chiweenie dogs. Long hair Chiweenie, short hair Chiweenie. She's not feeling good. She's had bad tummy for a few days now. Yeah, we've had some rough nights. All our blankets, 'cause it's cold. And there's my little muffin girl. She may or may not be going to have kittens. We can't tell. She's so fluffy. We can't tell. It is a very rainy, dreary day here in my little area. Sorry. In my little area of Arkansas. Very rainy. When it rains hard like this for any amount of time, my neighbor across the street over there, their yard kind of dips down. It's almost like a swimming pool. But it's been raining like this all day. I made a mad dash into town to get some sinus medicine because the weather like this has caused my sinuses to hurt real bad. And of course I'm still having trouble with my eye. I don't remember whether I told y'all that I have a vitreous detachment in my eye. I have a spot that no matter which way I look, it moves. So I've constantly got a spot in my eye, which is very irritating. And when it gets like this, everything is damp. Everything. That's not a working sink. It's just hanging there, and I got to get out here and clean it. It's really dirty. But these are concrete floors, and when it's wet outside, they are damp, and they are cold. It's not as cold today as it has been, but the rain needs to go away. We've had several days of rain, bitter cold, and I'm ready for it to stop. I know they say we need the rain, but the ground didn't even have time to absorb from the, all the moisture, all the rain from last time. The ground was soggy from the rain from last time, and now it's pouring down rain again. So I don't know. I know for the forecast, the last forecast I heard, it's supposed to be up. There's the thunder. It's supposed to be a pretty cold week, which, it's February, but I'm just done with the rain. It needs to stop and let the ground suck in the water, as it's not doing much good this way. Anyway, I just thought I'd hop on here and give you a little view of what's going on in my world. And my little girl, like I say, she may or may not be with kitten. It's hard to tell. Her fur is so thick, we can't really tell whether things are getting ready or not. So I guess time will tell. Yeah, she got caught. Spent the weekend out with her boyfriend last month, and yeah, before I could get her in to have her spayed. But Anyway, that's all I had to say. Hope everybody's having a great day. You're safe, you're warm, and until the next time, bye, my friends.